A while back, when I created the JavaScript array method series, I had in VS Code a special setup in which on the left side we had the code, and then on the right side we had the output of the code running every time we save the file. A lot of people ask me how I did that, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set that up. We have here some simple JavaScript code in a script.js file. I just created a random folder and added this file in it. And now if we want to run this file, we can use node. Node script.js, it will run the code and it will console.log z, which is 30. Alright, but now how can we do this every time we save the file? Every time we save the file, we want this code to run and we want to see the output. In order to do that, we're going to use Nodemon. You have to have this installed on your machine, and you can run Nodemon script.js. And this will listen to this file, well actually it will listen to all the files in this folder, and whenever something changes, it will restart and it will run again script.js. So you can see here, if we add, for example, well actually let's make this 30 and save, you can see that it ran again. Now the only issue now is that it has all this text here, and we kind of don't want this text, right? And I also, in the example I had with the array methods, I had this on the right. So in order to put this on the right, just right click here and select move panel right. And then you have it here. And in order to don't have all this text, so we're basically only interested in the result, let's close this and we're going to run Nodemon again, Nodemon script.js, but this time we want to add a flag, and the flag is -q. Let's run this, and you can see now that we only get the output. This basically cleans up the console. Alright. Another nice trick we could do is to clear the console whenever we restart. And for that we can have here on the first line console.clear. So whenever this code runs, first it will clear the console and then it will do the calculations and then it will console to a clear console. So let's save this, and now you can see every time we get only the output. So if we change now to 20 here, we get 50. So basically Nodemon will listen to the file changes, and whenever we change the file and save, it will rerun the code. We are clearing the console here, and then we're printing Z here. We can have how many console.logs we want, maybe, I don't know, Z here and Y, save this, and we get that also. So basically this goes on the first line, this goes on the second line, and how many console logs you want. This is just a nice way if you want to see quickly what's happening in your JavaScript code. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!